would be to identify eligible stocks that we want to trade. And I will go over what that is in a minute. And then once we've identified some stocks, we want to look at what the historic moves have been after earnings. And then we also want to look at what the expected move of a stock is after earnings. So we kind of take all that together, and then we kind of have an idea that says, okay, this is an eligible stock. We like the historic moves in the past, and the expected moves are in line. So then we will want to look at the stock, or eligible stocks are really, we want to make sure that they have good liquidity and good open interest. So we don't want to be trading stuff that, doesn't have enough open interest. And we want to make sure that the stock has a good fundamental. We don't want to have, a stock that we've never heard of. So we want to trade, name brand stocks. And we want to also look at the history of these moves. We want to make sure that they don't have these giant outliers. So, and I'll show you what that means in just a second. And then the final thing in terms of eligible stocks is we want to make sure that these stocks offer weekly expirations. We don't want to trade, a stock that has earnings tomorrow and have to hold it till May 20th. So we want to look for weekly options. So just to recap, we want to make sure that they have good enough liquidity and open interest, that they're name brand stocks, that they have a good history of, kind of normal moves, and they have weekly options. So those are kind of what we look, or what I have been focusing in on in terms of eligible stocks.